Welcome to the InfoBrokerWorld podcast, where business intelligence meets global strategy, empowering entrepreneurs with the insights they need to stay ahead.
When a company faces a trademark cancellation proceeding, it's not just a legal hurdle. It's a direct threat to the brand's identity, reputation, and market position. Defending against such an action is complex, and this is where experienced legal counsel becomes indispensable. So, what exactly happens in a cancellation proceeding? Unlike opposition, which occurs during the application stage, cancellation happens after a trademark has already been registered. The challenger wants that registration removed from the official register. Grounds vary: lack of use, genericness, likelihood of confusion with an earlier mark, fraud or bad faith, or the claim that the trademark was descriptive and should never have been registered in the first place. And here's where attorneys step in. Their role is multifaceted. First, they assess the petition. A lawyer carefully reviews the allegations, tests their legal merit, and checks whether the petitioner even has the right to bring the case. From there, they craft a tailored defense strategy. Second, they navigate procedure and compliance. Cancellation cases are full of strict deadlines and complex rules. Missing one filing can cost the entire case. Counsel ensures that every document is filed on time, in the right format, with the right supporting evidence. Third, they manage evidence. This often means proving genuine use of the mark, with sales records, advertising, consumer surveys, even product packaging. If fraud is alleged, lawyers know how to rebut it by showing there was no intent to deceive. Fourth, they negotiate. Many cases don't have to end in litigation. Attorneys often explore settlement, mediation, or coexistence agreements that allow both parties to continue using their marks under defined conditions. This saves time, money, and preserves business relationships. But if settlement isn't possible, counsel takes the lead in litigation, presenting arguments, cross-examining witnesses, and fighting to keep the brand protected. Beyond these core tasks, legal counsel also provides cost management. They help businesses understand the financial risks, prioritize actions, and avoid unnecessary legal expenses. Today, attorneys also leverage AI and technology. AI tools scan global databases, e-commerce sites, and social media to detect conflicts early. They help collect and organize evidence, predict case outcomes, and even automate communications like cease and desist letters. Combined with legal expertise, this technology makes the defense sharper and more efficient. The bottom line: trademark cancellation is a serious threat, but with skilled legal counsel, it's a manageable one. Attorneys bring strategy, precision, and foresight to the table, ensuring that businesses don't just defend their marks, but also safeguard the long-term integrity and value of their brands.
Thank you for listening to the InfoBrokerWorld podcast. If you have any questions about today's topic, feel free to reach out via the contact details in the show notes. This podcast was created using AI tools. If you're interested in producing your own AI-driven podcast, from concept to audio, feel free to get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.